Court recalls the case of R&J Group Holdings versus Saffield et al.
Plaintiff is ready, Your Honor.
Counter plaintiff is also ready.
All right. Where are we on this, folks?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Where's
God bless
Boris?
you, Your Honor.
I have trying to figure out exactly where our posture is on this case because I received two emergency ex parte motions. You have those, counsel? Pardon?
No, I received one some time ago for an adjournment that's long since come and gone.
No, these were filed yesterday.
I have no such, I haven't been served with anything. I had no idea those were even in existence.
Oh, and I'm trying to figure out why are they ex parte? Why is the request ex parte?
Permission to speak, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Okay, good morning. They are ex parte because the order that Your Honor signed for $5,000 a month bond escrow, we are trying to revise that to $250,000 refinancing proceeds of another property.
This case is this case currently before the circuit court?
It is currently it's been appealed. Your Honor's
Yeah.
judgment has been appealed and we filed a motion to dismiss the appeal. It's still pending, but that's all I can tell you about that, Judge.
So we'll get copies of these to you, but that's what I mean, I'm not clear I understand these motions because the first motion is to have a lending institution. You want the bond changed from 5,000 a month, which was the escrow order,
Correct.
which would customarily then become your bond on appeal. You want that changed to a $250,000 bond.
Correct. And may I speak the reason?
You can, but I'm not even clear that
Oh,
at this
boy.
juncture, I would have the jurisdiction to do that. Because I think you would have to request that of the circuit court to change the bond. I've set the bond when the case was before me. It's appealed. That, in my understanding, that's the only thing I can do once the appeal is filed. I can set the bond on appeal.
Likewise,
After that, it's the circuit court. So I don't even know that I can address this. I would also note, counsel, and like I said, we'll get you a copy.
In other words, learn law. She's never known one thing about it since the beginning, but she keeps swinging.
There's also this motion to have the R&J Group Holdings pay $250,000
Escrow bond.
for an escrow bond. I don't even know what that. They were the prevailing party, so I'm not even sure how that works. But
yeah, I can't comment on it. I haven't seen any.
I know, and that how these got on. I set this for a hearing on the escrow.
That's what I was under the impression was here today.
I didn't know anything about it. They are not on this document.
For the payment out of the escrow? Is that what I set it for? And I'm not gonna, well, the appeal is still pending, correct?
Correct.
The court set the hearing and I called the court.
Yeah,
Said that
I'm
they wanted
not
us to come.
sure
So
why did I do that?
When is the hearing?
I must have been under some determination that something had happened with the appeal, but you're telling me it did not.
No, the appeal is pending in the circuit court on this matter.
Okay, then I can't do anything with escrow, so,
May I ask you a question, Your Honor?
sure.
Okay, Mr. Momina's client has made several threats out loud, even in the hallways of this court.
So,
Oh, good Lord. Can we ask you a question? You know, I've got one question. It'll probably blow up the stream, but I got to ask it.
Ma'am, are you a whore?
ma'am,
To burn the house down. Does the court have authority to issue a PPO against him? I am protecting 4 underage children, my mother on the wheelchair. I don't want him to burn the house because we have a pending case. It's totally out of order.
Your Honor, that's preposterous.
No, it's not.
It's
You even
absolute-
heard.
I didn't hear anything like that. I
Oh,
don't,
yes,
I've heard,
well, a lot
I've
of
seen a
people
lot
did.
of things in this case I've never seen before, including ex parte motions seeking a $250,000 bond. That's,
Yeah,
That's
it's a breach of
preposterous.
contract, sir. This is a breach of contract case and a jury demand.
everybody done? No, I can't deal with anything. I have no jurisdiction. The jurisdiction at this point of this case rests with the circuit court.
Yes,
So-
thank
are
you.
you denying the ex parte motion?
I am,
Or refer.
yes, I'm denying them because they are improperly filed before me. Because I can't do that. You'd have to file those with the
Yes,
circuit.
do that, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank
so,
you.
all right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Here, this is, so that no, that goes with it, trust me. Then court is standing recess and give me about 5 minutes and then council come back.
Your Honor, I just want to make it clear, Mr. Campbell and Ms. Brule would like to join us in the back. Is that okay?
Campbell, yes, her, no. No, I'm kidding.
Well, did we make it? Did we make it through a stream? I have a big shout out to Zach over at Law Nerds Unite. He sent that to me. It was only 7 minutes and the Wi-Fi was acting slightly better. I thought I could squeeze it in. I think I made it. I'm not sure. That was delicious. Natasha rolls in there with an ex parte motion based upon her feelings. Speaking of which, I'm going to do it. I uploaded one from Melissa. I started yesterday, but I'm going to play that in a little bit too, just because I have it. Also based on feelings. But then the judge is like, Judge Simpson's like, this isn't before me. It's before the circuit court now while it's pending appeal. But she's going to take that. She's going to take that as no. These motions are totally cool. No, your motions suck. The judge can't rule on it because it's pending in a different location now. If he were to rule on the merits, they would be denied on the merits. No two ways about it. It's insanity. It's insanity. I want some outrageously increased bond, and I think they're going to burn the house down. No, I don't think they're going to burn the house down. Number one. Number two, it's not your house. Get the hell out of it. Oh, I got one in Rome, darn it. It actually happened. I played a little bit. I had to play my one clip. I had to. But I was literally not doing anything, just thinking I'll derail the whole stream. So then I thought, okay, I'll have this little chat, this little minute we just had, but I'll wait till after it's over. So then at least you have the clip. Yay! Thanks again to Zach over at Law Nerds Unite. Thanks, Alyssa. I see you in there for the other ones that I uploaded. I have got another upload. I'm gonna throw out there. I'll just premiere it or something. That I'm confident, because then the clip's already there. It should be good. But streaming live is a dicey matter with my current Wi-Fi situation. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. I'll see you soon.